Hello, it's Miss Heather, autoharp teacher at Conservatory of the Ozarks, here with
Berniece.
So, Berniece is practicing leaning on the everlasting arms, and we changed the key to fit her voice. So she's going to practice doing a simple strumming pattern and singing it, and we're going to hopefully nail down how to hear the starting note after the introduction of strumming chords.
Okay. What a fellowship, what a joy divine, leaning on the everlasting arms. What a blessedness, what a peace is mine, leaning on the everlasting arms. Leaning, safe and secure from all alarms. Leaning on the everlasting arms. Oh, how sweet to walk in this pilgrim way, leaning on the everlasting arms. Oh, how bright the path grows from day to day, leaning on the everlasting arms. Leaning, safe and secure from all alarms. Leaning on the everlasting arms. What have I to dread? What have I to fear? Leaning on the everlasting arms. I have blessed peace with my Lord so near, leaning on the everlasting arms. Leaning, safe and secure from all alarms. Leaning on the everlasting arms.
So let's practice just the beginning a few times. So just play the introduction and then hit like the first couple syllables of the first verse.
Okay. What a fellowship, what a joy divine.
Yeah. Are you humming in your head the words that go along with
Sort
the
of.
introduction? Yeah, that's really good. You're hitting it consistently now. So
Better?
try,
Okay.
yeah, try 2 more times of that, just so you've
Okay.
you can practice with it at home
Okay.
3 times in a row.
What a fellowship, what a joy divine, leaning on the everlasting arms.
And then one more time.
My pick keeps sliding out. Okay. What a fellowship, what a joy divine, leaning on the everlasting arms.
Lasting arms. That's
Okay.
the only time that wasn't right though.
Okay.
Which is
Okay.
good. So,
Okay.
all right. I think you got a good
Practice work.
start.
All right.
Any questions?
Nope.
2 thumbs up for leaning on the everlasting arms.